Ever sent a message on Instagram and then instantly regretted it? Don't worry, we've all been there. Today, I'll show you how to delete messages on Instagram, but more importantly, how to remove them for both sides so the other person doesn't see them either. Let's get into it. First, open the Instagram app and find a chat with a message you want to delete and open it. Now, press and hold the message you want to remove. You'll see two options. Delete for you. This only removes a message from your side, but the other person can still see it. But we don't want that. We want unsend. This completely deletes it for both you and the other person, like it was never there. To make sure the message disappears for both of you, tap unsend, and just like that, it's gone. If the other person already saw the message before you unsend it, well, you're out of luck. If they had notifications on, they might have seen a preview of it, even if you deleted it. And that's it. Super easy, right? If this video helped, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.